Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ice cream yogurt without any special equipment. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of full-fat plain yogurt, 1/2 cup of your preferred sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and any flavorings you desire. Make sure your yogurt is well chilled before you begin. Also, prepare a shallow, freezer-safe container, such as a baking dish, for the freezing process. Now, let's mix our base. In a bowl, combine your 2 cups of full-fat plain yogurt with 1/2 cup of honey or maple syrup. Stir these together until they are well blended. For a classic taste, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you prefer, you can also incorporate about 1/4 cup of fresh fruit puree, like berries, or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a chocolate version. Mix thoroughly until smooth. The freezing process is key to achieving that creamy texture without a machine. Pour your yogurt mixture into the shallow, freezer-safe container, spreading it evenly to about 1 inch deep. Place it in the freezer for 30 minutes. After this initial chill, remove it and stir vigorously with a fork or whisk to break up any ice crystals. Repeat this stirring process every 30 to 45 minutes for a total of 2 to 3 hours. This prevents large ice crystals from forming. Once your frozen yogurt has reached a soft serve consistency, it's ready to enjoy. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly. Scoop it into bowls and garnish with your favorite toppings, such as fresh berries, a sprinkle of granola, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Any leftover frozen yogurt can be stored in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade, creamy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.